Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. I am the Crypto Father, and today is the 24th of February. I've been shooting videos away all evening because I've got nothing better to do with my time, it seems. In any case, I remember somebody complaining to me, well, not complaining, but pointing out that I don't really cover enough crypto for them to have interest in this channel, in my channel, because I was covering so much stuff on Meow coin and some other crap coin that I no longer talk about, or crap project. But so I decided to start investing a little bit more time into providing my audience with insights on what I think might be potential gems in the crypto sphere. And I tried to focus mainly on coins. Over the course of the past couple of months, I've developed a pretty solid understanding or conviction in the proof of work blockchain over the proof of stake blockchain. And so I try to bring you projects that are proof of work exclusively. I hardly ever talk about proof of stake. I do have some proof of stake coins, like some of the top 10s. I still hold some Ethereum because it's Ethereum, and I hold some ADA, and I know that there's some Ethereum haters out there, and I don't care. As long as it makes me money, I'm happy, because that's what it's basically about, crypto for the most part. For the coins, for Meow coin, of course, it's a bit of a different story, because I see a lot more potential in Meow coin, and it's a different kind of project. But Ethereum, it was what it was initially, and it was the second golden boy next to Bitcoin, I guess, for as long as it was proof of work, and then unfortunately moved to proof of stake. So right now it's an investment for which I think most of us hope to make some money out of. I mean, that's crypto for the most part. Anyway, today I'm bringing you another coin that I think may be potentially a good investment. So I'm gonna look at that. We'll go over the details of what it is, and I'll let you make up your own mind on whether to pursue this project or not. So Pyrin, I don't know how to pronounce it. Pyrin, Pyrin, and it's Pyrin Network. The name itself is a bit unfortunate, because I don't know why. I've got a bit of a sour taste for anything that's called a network in the name. In any case, let's give this one a shot, and I'm mining it a little bit right now, and I know other miners are on it because it's a pretty recent release. It seems to be a project that was just released this month, like just recently this year, so it hasn't been around for a very long time, which means that it's still potentially a good grab right now. Let's look at the stuff that it has here. So, next generation decentralized transaction network, a novel fair launched Ghost DAG implementation designed to provide a decentralized high throughput, low latency secure transaction network with built-in smart contracts. Secured by a resource managing proof of work revolution, PAIW, right? Revolutionizing blockchain technology, introducing Ghost DAG. So unlocking efficiency and scalability with the Ghost directed acrylic graph protocol. Ghost DAG is a groundbreaking consensus protocol revolutionizing blockchain technology. It offers an efficient and scalable solution for decentralized networks with a direct acrylic graph, a DAG structure. Ghost DAG eliminates orphaned blocks and achieves near instant confirmation times. This enhances security, scalability, and throughput, enabling real-world adoption of cryptocurrencies. Ghost DAG empowers blockchain platforms to revolutionize transaction efficiency and provide a user-friendly digital economy experience. I don't know if you've noticed, but most of the other cryptocurrencies, most of the other coins that I covered on this channel just recently over the past couple of weeks are coins that aim for a similar direction. Like, they aim to be a form of payment, some kind of currency, and so Pyrin is kind of aiming at that as well. And I guess this drive comes from the fact that Bitcoin is proving to be a bit too heavy to be conducting transactions with. So we can't really use Bitcoin per se as easily as we could so many other cryptocurrencies for payments, like if you want to purchase coffee or whatever. And cryptocurrency, the proponents of crypto, like Michael Saylor and all the other guys, basically stress the idea that cryptocurrency, or Bitcoin in particular, is a form of payment. And as true and fair as that may be, it's difficult to use a payment form that takes 10 minutes to process, right? When you're at a store and you're purchasing coffee, you can't have a payment take 10 minutes to process. That's why we have cash, that's why we have credit cards. And if you have to deal with processing time, with 10 minutes processing times, then that kind of puts a damper on the whole idea of having an effective, efficient cryptocurrency, or currency even, right? So a lot of the projects that I'm talking about right now, and a lot of the projects that are being released right now, I guess, aim to be a lot faster and a lot easier to use, or holding a lot more potential as a possible currency that we could use instead of fiat. So this is kind of what Pyrin is aiming to be. Instant. Pyrin enables super fast transactions, ensuring quick and efficient asset transfers. Its innovative consensus mechanism achieves near instant transactions confirmation, making transactions visible within seconds and fully confirmed in 10 seconds or less. So up to 1.2 seconds average transaction time. This is what you need, right? Like if you're going to have a form of payment, then this is kind of what you would need to have, something that's instant. Decentralized, of course. Pyrin, using Ghost DAG, maintain a high-speed network while preserving decentralization, secured by thousands of independent nodes. Implemented Blake 3 ensures a fair coin distribution at the beginning by excluding ASIC from mining. So this is, so far, I guess it's ASIC resistant, which is another bonus, and puts it on par with a lot of the other new coin projects that are coming out right now, like Nova, Nexa, Meow coin, and I think Lithium right now has had a massive pump because it ceased to be ASIC resistant. ASICs are jumping on top of Lithium, which is probably why it saw a massive pump. And there was another coin that I was trying to mine just yesterday because it was freshly released, and I got into the Discord channel. I was talking to the people there, and it turns out that it isn't. That it's actually it's K-heavy hash, which I didn't know is built for ASICs essentially, or it's ASIC. It isn't ASIC resistant. It's accessible to ASICs, which makes it very difficult for GPU miners, because once ASICs get a hold of it, you know, that's it. That's done. So I guess right now it's still possible to mine that particular coin, although I tried and I couldn't get it set up. But again, I'm not a I'm not as professional as setting up my rig as I would like to be. Not just yet, but it's a learning process, no problemo. Okay, next, low transaction fees pave the way for adoption and smart contract applications. So cost per transaction, this is it. It's like a fraction, millionth, so 1,000th fraction of a penny. I don't know if that depends on the size of the transaction or what, but I guess this is a good start. Scalable. Pyrin tackles scalability by using block DAG, enabling parallel block creation and confirmation. This ensures high transaction volume without compromising security or network performance. 300 transactions per second. I guess there are payment forms that boast much larger payment transaction. I think Novo has like 10,000 per second or something ridiculous like that. But but that's why there are so many of them. Who says that we need to have one currency? I think it would be kind of interesting to have a bunch of different currencies that we could use for payments, processing at different stores, because why not? Why have only one? And then security. Pyrin achieves maximum security and decentralization by combining pure proof of work with Ghost stack consensus. All right. Advanced blockchain enhancement. Pyrin strategically integrates layer 1 technology, enhances decentralization, introduces smart contracts, and pioneers innovative resource management, which not only boost miner revenues but also contribute to more environmentally friendly blockchain protocols. I'm not sure what the resource management is, because it doesn't really talk about, there's nothing else so far other than proof of work, so I'm not sure what other resource management which can boost miner revenues is, what that refers to. Cryptographic hash evolution. Blake 3 is an improved cryptographic hash based on Blake 2. It boasts faster and consistent, whatever Blake 2 is, right? It boasts faster and consistent performance across platforms, supporting unlimited parallelism and scalability. Blake 3 outperforms Blake 2B, SHA-512, and SHA-256. Even on smaller architectures like ARM 1176, unlike its predecessors, Blake 3 is a singular algorithm with a simplified API accommodating keying and extendable outputs. Yeah, that's a lot of jargon that's probably most of us don't understand. Smart contracts. This is interesting. Smart contract enhanced by GhostDAG, revolutionizing decentralized applications with speed, scalability, and security. Smart contracts. So the idea is, I guess, to have smart contracts will operate efficiently with the Pyrin network by integrating with GhostDAG's scalable protocol. GhostDAG direct acrylic graph. DAG reduces confirmation times, enabling near instant execution and enhancing user experience with improved scalability. Smart contracts handle high transaction volumes efficiently. This opens up practical use cases like DeFi, supply chain management, asset tokenization, peer-to-peer lending, decentralized identity solutions, healthcare, data management, copyright management, real estate, gaming, NFT, and many more. So that's, I guess, what they're aiming to do. But in order to get there, they need to first grow the ecosystem. But so yeah, so they have of course you need to have smart contracts to have DeFi. That's the whole thing about proof of stake. But having proof of work integrate smart contracts, whether that's smart or not, it does allow for the implementation of DeFi and such. So introducing resource managing proof of work, PAIW, expanding possibilities, mining revenue and AI synergies. Proof of work mining has long been synonymous with energy-intensive security measures in the blockchain sphere. However, PAIW introduces a paradigm shift by reaping dual benefits from its energy expenditure. It not only enhances network security, but also creates novel revenue models for miners while fostering synergies with AI service providers. This innovative approach represents a promising evolution in the blockchain landscape. This is kind of a, we don't know what it is. So these are just buzzwords, essentially. They do have some wallets, Blockchain Explorer. There's a web wallet, there's a mobile wallet. So the web wallet is accessible through the website here. And so that's it for the website. Let's have a quick look on X, see how many people. I haven't really looked at their website, at their X. Yeah, so they have a pretty small following still. It is a pretty early coin. I started following them, of course, but I didn't actually look at the numbers and stuff. So on CoinMarketCap, Pyrin is presently listed at 0.03 cents, below 3 cents. Some description here. Pyrin is a decentralized Caspa fork integrated with Blake 3, which combines BlockDAG and GhostDAG with innovative smart contracts ensuring scalable and instant transactions. So it is a Caspa fork, another Caspa fork. I think this is like the fourth one by now. So they do stress the ASIC resistant transaction network, the built-in smart contract. So that's important because that makes it enticing for GPU miners. Again, once ASICs come in, things turn a bit heavy, and ASIC doesn't come out, there's so many coins, and ASIC doesn't keep up with everything. But I mean, Caspa, of course, can be mined with ASIC. That's why I guess they pumped. So a lot of the coins, one of the reasons why things like Bitcoin and Caspa and all the ASIC mineable coins pump is because these companies have a lot of money invested. So when they produce these ASIC miners, of course, it's in their best interest to sell as many of these ASIC miners of their own products as they can. So they will pump the stock, they will advertise it, so that people hop on the bandwagon and start buying off their ASICs, and so that, of course, begins, to pump the value of that particular coin. But it also makes it a lot less accessible to the regular GPU miner, which is not great. The CoinMarketCap doesn't really give us a lot of numbers. Again, this is proof that CoinMarketCap, these aggregators, are not very accurate in what they provide, man, the information that they provide. So right here, if you look at the total supply, max supply, it just says 1 billion. It doesn't say, oh no, it disappeared. It says that there is no more data on that. So fully diluted market cap, it's at 33 million. So if you go to the Pyrin network Explorer, the total supply is presently 135 million. So that's how much it's been, how many PYI, Pyrin coins have been mined. So that represents a total of 13.52% of the overall supply of 1 billion tokens. Yeah. Present block reward is 17 Pyrin per block, and here's an interesting tidbit. Reward reduction, so I guess there's going to be a halving sometime in May of 2024. So that's interesting, because that means that price could pump a little bit. So now might be a good time to pick some up if you are in the market for some new coins. So look, Pyrin is listed on Trade Ogre, Zegex, and non-KYC. And it looks like Trade Ogre and Zegex have the highest trading volume. Trade Ogre is a pretty good exchange, despite the fact that it's got, what is this, $5? It went from $5. I don't know. The listings of coins are always weird. Let's have a look on Zegex. So Zegex is the exchange with the second highest volume of PYI. And it was listed here on January 2024 at 2 cents, and it had a pump to almost 5 cents, and dumped again, another pump, and it's dumping right now. So it does fluctuate a little bit, which is good, I guess, because it's good for trading. And it looks like it was listed on Trade Ogre sometime in December 2000 last year. December last year, so it's only a few months old. It's a few months old project only. It's still pretty fresh. Most of it is being mined on hero miners with a massive amount of hash. Now let's have a quick look at the Pyrin roadmap here. What is the Pyrin team working on, and what goals have they set for ourselves, for themselves, for us? That's bad English here, man. So Q4 2023, web wallet, the future of digital asset management. Stratum Bridge is especially specialized cryptocurrency mining software functioning as a background daemon for various Stratum-based miners. Q1, Node Explorer rollout, white paper publication, desktop and mobile wallet. Q2, smart contract innovation. Okay, so smart contracts are going to be coming in the second quarter of 2024. So yeah, so this is a brand new coin, and the development is just underway essentially. They just released the wallets, I guess, within the past couple of months. Fourth quarter, we went from second quarter to fourth quarter. PAIW marks a paradigm shift in algorithmic mining, seamlessly integrating it with artificial intelligence beyond traditional mining. This initiative taps into computational resources to address complex AI challenges. Strategic approach and benefits. PAIW allows miners to earn up to 50% more revenue than with traditional mining. Interesting. PAIW can help to reduce the carbon footprint of cryptocurrency mining by up to 90%. It transforms mining by channeling computational power to tackle intricate AI problems, pushing scientific boundaries and expanding the mining concept. It offers cost-effective computational resources for AI research, providing affordable access to power for developers and accelerated research efforts. I hope this isn't going to be like, one of those GPU sharing things that you have, like, I forget what it is. There was another app that taps into your GPU, and you can contribute your GPU power to the greater good and get paid in Satoshi for that. So I don't know if that's what they're aiming for here. PAIW purposes mining infrastructures for AI problem solving, promoting sustainable and environmentally conscious computational resource allocation. Unit Tech Initiative Pyon fosters collaboration between mining and AI communities, encouraging innovation across both fields. Future-focused vision. Pyon transcends a project. It's a futuristic vision bringing algorithmic mining. All right, but we don't know how this would be implemented. Would it mean that part of your you'd have to dedicate a specific GPU to this, or would it like suck the power from a GPU mining, or would it be a new algorithm? Not sure how this is going to fly. But so this is what's happened, I guess. It's a decentralized Casspa fork integrated with Blake 3, combines BlockDAG and GoStack. So there you go, that's the roadmap for this project. So they got big grandiose plans. Again, whether you get in on this or not is up to you. I'm mining a little bit. Whether it's worth it or not, I have no idea. The revenue from this right now is not all that much, quite honestly. On the 3060, I'm generating about 8.56 PYI, but taking into consideration the fact that my hash is a little bit higher, you know, this revenue should be a little bit more. But I think, yeah, on hero miners, so basically, like, I started mining just yesterday. So over the day, I think I started mining in the evening around, I don't know what time, but a couple of hours. So within, I guess, these past 20 something hours, 20 odd hours, I've mined 51 PYI on my tiny little rig, comparatively tiny little rig. So it's not great. It's $1.71. I probably spend a lot more in electricity cost doing this than getting paid. So, but again, this is something that you do for the future benefit, hoping that this coin will pump. So I'm gonna mine a little bit and then keep it on the side, and I'm gonna hop back onto Meow coin, because that's where my heart lies, man. I will never give up on Meow coin. But I do have a nice hefty bag of Meow coin right now, which I'm very happy with, and so I'm very happy also with providing the airdrops, which concluded, the 5th airdrop concluded, Meow coin airdrop concluded today. So congratulations to all those lucky winners. There weren't too many, 7 this time around, but it's more than the previous week and more than previous week. So slowly the airdrops, Meow coin airdrops, are building momentum, as well as Meow coin itself. Again, I think yesterday, or maybe even today, Red Panda Mining covered Meow coin on his live feed. They were a little bit skeptical about Meow Pow, so I guess there's a bit of pressure on Meow coin right now with the release of Meow Pow, man, because if it proves to be what it's set out to be, if it does provide, you know, 20 to 40% savings, power savings, then man, Meow coin to the moon. And if it doesn't, if it falls short of that, I mean, anything between 20, I guess, and 40, or 30 and 40% savings will be freaking fantastic. So hopefully that comes through, and it seems like it is coming through, because the tests are showing exactly that. In any case, make sure to come back to the Crypto Father channel, this channel, my channel, because the 6th Meow coin airdrop is going to take place next week, and I'm going to announce that sometime next week. In the meantime, and this is very important, this is what I want you to do. If you're in the mood to support this channel and the content that I bring to you every day on a regular basis, hop on over to the main page here, join, and then become a crypto kitten or crypto cat. For the price of a coffee on a monthly basis, you help me with the creation of the contents, you support the channel, you tell me you appreciate it, which I appreciate in return, and everyth's hunky-dory, everybody's happy. But either way, if you choose not to do so, I still appreciate your support, and you know, I always appreciate the comments. That's a lot more important than anything else. Your presence here, your comments, and if you want to support the channel in any other way, please make sure to share the content. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this project. If you're buying some of Pyrin, or if you're buying any other coins, or if there are any other coins that you would like me to talk about, if there's anything else you would like to share, I'm all ears. In the meantime, make sure to stick around. There is more content coming out. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.